That time of the week again. Friday. This time I'll almost skip right into it. I'll just say I will disassemble the KX250 OVERKILL engine. And I'll bring you along and I'll talk a little bit about it while doing it and maybe there are some tips and tricks, I don't know, but I'll try to show you how I did it and how I would not do it again, maybe. I can't remember what I was talking about. So let's go from here. Bye. No, not bye. Here we go. Bye. No, not bye again. Here we go. I measured the squish clearance the other day. 1 millimeter exactly, as planned. But I got less squish than 50% area. I'm using, let's see, 43% of the area, if I remember correctly. Question to you guys, the clearance axial, the disc in the cases, how much clearance should you use with steel disc? Anybody know? I set it to 1/10 of a millimeter as for is now, but I have no gasket. I can cut gaskets in different thickness to adjust this. And I need to port out this. And right here I got some big ones.
Elisabeth har långt utslaget hår. Hon springer ner till sin lägenhet och tar på sig sin tunna skjorta. Men hennes mamma stoppar henne på vägen ut. Ute är det nämligen ett av de värsta aprilväder som Uppsala sett på många år med blåst och snöstorm. Elisabeths mamma övertalar henne att byta.
I'll probably, these 3 bolts, you can see 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and the intake will be below this. I need to weld right here. And I'll probably, if I measure it correct, almost a little bit above the center. I need to drill such a hole also, and then drill and tap this bung. And I get really solid mount point. And after that's done, I'm gonna lighten up and mill away some bulk material from it. And where are we? Cylinder off. We're getting somewhere. And if I remember correctly, I remember that I can't remember anything at all.
och vänderna börjar glida isär.
I also received the front forks. I got them here for the new build.
Mobbningen i grundskolan gör att Gunnar inte umgås med andra när det är dags att läsa vidare. Istället genomför han gymnasiestudierna på kvällstid tillsammans med
You should use a
vuxna som
ring, a tool for that, but
umgänget bättre.
I'm faster just doing with the tools I got at hand. Now you can start to see this is a Kawasaki KX250 balance shaft, and it has got the same no, this is driving the splines that pulls this one, the sprocket, the gear had the same splines as the crankshaft. That's how it was. We need to get this one off also. Maybe I can't get it off. A couple of years ago, since I was fiddling around with this engine, remember, this one needs to go out.
Men de råkar gå om varandra och när tjejen kommer tillbaka orkar sällskapet inte vänta på Gunnar. De vill inte ens ta diskussionen om vi ska följa med hem till honom.
I made a polyurethane mount here at the front as the engine was vibrating a lot. That took precautions.
Inne på profeten fortsätter de 6 kompisarna Elisabeth, Margareta till den verkligen att festa i lokalens källare.
Like so. I can't remember this though.
Vid klockan 2 och det är stängningsdags.
Maybe I can take those 10mm first.
Salva efter salva.
Jag känner ju en väldig kraft och det är precis som att den är så stark förbi.
Here we go.
Liksom i 100 kilometer. Väldigt, väldigt, väldigt fort. Jag tänker så här, sluta.
Yep. I'm going to take this one away also.
I närliggande port.
And now I need to put
Från sin position ser Torsten hur vännerna på marken blir allt mer desperata.
Det känns som
I don't want to destroy this one. Not that one.
Nu dör jag.
So now we can almost see how it works.
Men båda släkten klarar sig.
The springs I've got is keeping the
Sprayar mannen.
clutch pressure plate away from the discs
Jag var ju helt
to
och försökte resa på mig.
make it release, clutch release.
Jag vet
And then I got the weights that are centrifugated.
Från Leif som ramlar.
I don't know if you can see. These ones are having some weight and getting outwards.
För henne
And when they're getting outwards, it lifts this one and gets pressure on the clutch.
ligger Leif
I don't know.
medvetslös.
Jag säger bara, Leffe, du är svårt skadad.
Let's
Vad ska
see.
jag göra? Och så springer jag fram till en kille.
And then you can set the preload on the springs and everything
Människor
and weight, and you can set some springs in between right here also to get the secondary value to adjust. So this is the slipper clutch I used, and it's working, no problems. Yes, I need to get one more box to save up the parts in.
polis och ambulanspersonal
Now I need to.
där de möts av en kaotisk scen.
Maybe I can skip that part, but I need to take it away anyway. The steel ring is bolted onto the billet case. Oh, by the way, I got a billet case.
Tar sig mot de skottskadade.
No, that's wrong. This is correct. It's a very small.
Leif har flyttats till en port och fått en filt över sig.
Det var där jag kunde se
here's the clutch. Here's also some carbon discs. Very good EVC brakes. Now where are we? This nut. I need to agga-dagga. I need the agga-dagga. The dagga-agga. What's the number on this one?
När polismännen närmar sig börjar mannen klösa hysteriskt i snön och skriker att en okänd man har tagit hans k-pist.
Det sitter en polis och en kille till ett barn. Jag stiger fram där och tar en bild. Och då säger polisen att det här är en vanlig fylla. Det är ingenting för mig. Men jag tar bilder ändå. Jag åker på labbet och framkallar. Och efter en liten stund kommer en fotograf från Stockholm, Expressen där, och tar med sig lite bilder. Och sen...
Now we're close.
Sen vad de har gjort.
Take the starter sprocket off.
Det som var
Like that.
positivt i det här fallet, det var ju...
And this one can follow.
Vi hade jättemycket bra bilder. Alltså, ingenting.
And here's the special part. I got some pins pressed into these two gears to get some traction between them.
Men trots gripandet så är polisen inte helt säker på att de tagit en person. Tvärtom verkar den hysteriska mannen vara så istället för att...
I had to mill some there, I can see. And there you can see the pins.
Och rätt som det så skriker det bara ut.
This is a Tecate gear, and this is the OEM Kawasaki drive for the primary gear. I got them locked together. There are splines in both, of course, but I felt when I had to mill off some from the Kawasaki, the Tecate gear, I got some too small with the so I made these pins into also. So where are we? I need to
är inte förberett för att ta emot så många skottskadade på en gång. Vännerna Leif, Margareta och Bo är alla allvarligt skadade och förbereds för operation.
Need to take that one off. This locks the bearing. Oh, I got. Maybe this one's good enough.
Margaretas föräldrar måste få reda på vad som har hänt. Men eftersom de
Oh, loose. I got lucky. Nothing happened. And that part. Now I need to pull this one, and I remember I need to take off this bearing so I get it sloppy. Really nice. It's stuck in something though. Is it the... Yes. I didn't... It's a sealing O-ring right there around the bearing, around the gear shaft. There it is. There it is. I have used a lot of silicone though. And I need to clean out these bearings. They are full of junk. Here's some aluminium from the piston stuck in there. Yeah, that's one. I painted it red. It actually is a heat shield. And now I should be able, if I've done the same thing right here, I should be able to tap this out really softly. Yes, I like myself sometimes. This is my modified KX250 standard crank. I have modified, this is a micro rod that I've lightened. I will clean it thoroughly.
Ja, jag drömmer ju om skjutningar, gör jag.
This markings is because that's why I got bored of having main bearings that was so stuck. And I also welded the crank pin to get some stability, not flexing. So this one's good. The rod isn't old at all, if I remember correct. It's never been raised, it's just been dynoed. And there are some aluminium shavings down in it. I will clean it very thoroughly and change the main bearings, because those ones are hard to clean. Now I need to take the oops, the gears are coming. There are big gears in these Kawasaki engines. That's why the engine is so heavy. Tell me guys, is there someone out there that has on the KX250 in 96 to 2002 got a worn out gear? That you got the dogs worn out, that's one thing, but the gear is just insane. I measured them earlier and they're equally as big as in a big 4-stroke 600 and 750 cubic engines. And I don't know this for sure, but I think some parts are the same in the KX500. That's why they're so oversized. And I got some bad dirt in the engine. And I need to, this one's free. I need to take the no, I need to take this idler pulley away.
Elisabeth och Margareta håller kontakten genom hela livet. När Margareta är 108.
I've been welding over here. What have I been doing? I can't remember. Might be some modification I've done that I can't remember of. However, yes, no. Is it because of... I can't pull that. Oh, I can put this one out though. Out out of the equation. And I've been doing some crazy stuff right here. Maybe I have fixed the case with some. I'm not sure I can take this one out. It is. I've got it in though. I need to get it out. How the fuck have I done that? There's more space right there. Oh, I got it. I wonder what I've been doing right there. Now I can take the gearbox out. I need to pull these pins. That's one. That's two. Pull this one out. Pull that one out. That one's a little bit worn. I don't know. Maybe I should buy new ones. Or maybe I got new ones. I got a lot of spare parts for these ones. This is one modification. I'm just telling you, I won't show you more closely. These are some for the dogs. There are round corners on this one. I can't remember if it is 2002 or 96 or vice versa. But this one has got some straight edge, 90 degree, not round dogs. But it is working, meshing them together. This makes it possible to mix match newer and older gearboxes. So I'll put it right here, and now we're apart enough so I can show you guys some of my modifications. I used a lot of silicone. It's rock hard also. What's that about? Yeah, whatever. And the piston that has been circling around the crankshaft has ground away some color from the crank housing. That's no problem though. I will tap out these bearings and clean them. They are quite new actually. They're just full of dirt. Yeah, I can see some dirt inside them. I'll clean them thoroughly. And what I'm about to do, I can bring you in with the camera. I'll put this like this so I can show you. Oops. There it is. And where's the adapter plate? Right there. Oh, no. peasy. Easy peasy. As this one goes here, now I need to show you. I'll bring in, I'll put on some light also, like so. Now I'll bring you in. You can see right here, I have marked out a little bit where the intake will go. So I need to weld up some so I can get it sealed and mill the intake into where the boost port is going in the Kawasaki cylinder. I will make intake and also inside this one. That's not much welding at all. This one's hollow though, but I'll grind away some and start welding. But I won't do that today. I'll do that this weekend. I need to wash it up first and put out the main bearings and stuff. So I'll cut this video short right here. It isn't short anyway, but I got a lot of parts right here. I need to take this one with me, and this one's the water bungs. I will change them. I got some roost for the Piaggio twin. I borrowed those and I bought new ones. So yes, I'll cut it off right here, and this is the Kawasaki KX Overkill engine taken in a million pieces. So catch you later, guys. Bye.